That shower is awesome. Wow. Very large tiled shower. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Springdale in the northern part of the Villages. It is a wood framed home. It is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom home. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. Today's an open house video. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa located here in the village of Springdale in the northern part of the Villages. I will start by taking a panoramic view of the street. I will pan to my left. That is facing east, friends. And panning to my right, that is facing west. You will see this home has many upgrades as we walk up the driveway. The driveway is a cement driveway. It is in very good condition. That is your roof there, friends. It is a wood-framed courtyard villa with a 1.5 car garage. And as always, friends, if you want more information, please contact either your listing agent, Martha, or your showing agent, Michelle, and I will include both of their contact information in the description of the video. Let's go inside and take a look. It does have stone landscaping, very low maintenance. Has a beautiful entry door with glass windows in it as well. Let's go inside. Here I am, friends, standing in the foyer area. And the first thing I notice is this beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring. It is a waterproof floor. I also noticed the kitchen in front of me with awesome subway tile backsplash. I also noticed that beautiful quartz countertop and the awesome white cabinets with brushed stainless hardware. Off to the left, friends, you do see the living and dining area. This home has many upgrades. It is in awesome condition. Let's take a walk into that kitchen and take a look. It has new stainless appliances, natural gas stove, acoustic textured ceilings as well. This home is in mint condition, friends. Very nice quartz countertops. This is located in the village of Springdale. The list price of this home is $329,900. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea. If you have more questions, please contact Michelle at Coldwell Banker. This is located at 17897 Southeast 91st Freedom Court in the Villages. List price, $329,900. This is in Marion County in the northern part of the Villages. Feel free to pause the video at any point to read the specification sheet. There are your room dimension, friends. Living room is 14 by 17. Let's take a look at the rest of this home. I will spin around and show you this kitchen area. This is the pantry. A lot of my subscribers want to see what the pantry looks like. That is your pantry right there in the kitchen. I will take a walk into the 1.5 car garage. This is your 1.5 car garage with a cement floor. That garage door does have windows in it. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. That is your mechanical area right there. The laundry is in the garage. That is your laundry area back there. That is a hot water heater in the corner. Let's take a walk through the rest of this home, friends. This home shows very well. You can see the dining area spinning around, looking at that kitchen. Very large kitchen countertop and bar area there. This home has very high ceilings with acoustic texture. Luxury vinyl plank floor that is waterproof. This home does have a Florida room in the back as well. Let's take a walk and look at the Florida room. This home is in mint condition, as I said before. This Florida room is temperature controlled. And you can see the HVAC duct up there in this temperature controlled Florida room. Very nice, very awesome. This back of this home does face south, friends. Let's walk out into that backyard. This is a courtyard villa. Very private backyard. Very mature trees. These homes are really intended for those people that like privacy. I will show you the side yard as well. This is the side of the home. Very nice location here in the northern part of the Villages. Very well kept as well. Next, I will walk into the home and take a look at the primary bedroom. See what that has to offer. This home does have really wide base molding as well. That base molding looks like it's 5 or 6 inches. This is the primary bedroom, friends. You do see the waterproof luxury vinyl plank floor. Continuing, very high ceilings with acoustic texture. That is a queen size bed, friends, to give you perspective on the size of this room. The primary bedroom is 12 feet by 14 feet. That is the dimensions. That is your walk-in closet in your primary bedroom. Very nice. Let's take a look at the walk-in closet. Luxury vinyl plank floors continue. Wire rack shelves. There is your primary bathroom. Quartz countertops with 1 sink. Does have a solar tube. Very high vaulted ceiling as well. That shower is awesome. Wow. Very large tiled shower. This is gorgeous. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, friends. I do appreciate it. Next, I will walk into the guest bedroom area. This is a panoramic view of the home, of the kitchen and dining area. The furniture does not go with this home, but it is negotiable if you want to include it. You would need to negotiate with your agent. Here is your guest bathroom. Quartz countertop, 1 sink, many upgrades, very high vaulted ceiling. This bathroom does have a tub and a tile surround as well. Very nice. Very nice. Next, I will walk into the guest bedroom, and as you see, that luxury vinyl plank waterproof floor is continuing in this guest bedroom. This bedroom has very high ceilings with acoustic texture. I'll spin around and give you an idea. The size, that does appear to be a queen size bed, friends, to give you perspective on the size of this room. Very neutrally decorated home. I will show you what the closet looks like. It does have bifold doors on the closet. You can see wire rack shelf. Floors continue in there. Next, I will walk out of the home. I'll give you one panoramic view of this home as I walk out into the street. This is your home, friends, located in the village of Springdale. List price $329,900. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. Here I am, friends, exiting the home. This is your view from the home, from the front yard. As always, friends, if you are interested in receiving more information on this home, please contact Martha Ridgway, that is your listing agent, or Michelle Beecher, that is your showing agent today. There's Michelle's contact information. If you need any information, contact those two individuals. I will take one last spin and show you this home, give you an idea what it is. There it is, friends, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, courtyard villa located here in the village of Springdale. It is a wood-framed home. List price is $329,900. Have a safe weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this home tour with me here in the village of Springdale, in the northern part of the villages. This is a 2-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa that's wood framed. Have a great weekend, everybody. Take care.